My friends, good to see you back here, and today is probably the hottest day this year, but we will do a typical winter dish and I will explain to you why later. Pasta e fagioli, pasta and beans. Wow, fresh beans from my garden. And a little bit of salamino piccante. And you got it right, it's pasta fagioli, pasta and beans, and let's have a look what we need for this. Come closer please. So of course we will need the borlotti beans. Have a look where I got those from. Okay my friends, look at these beautiful borlotti beans. Yeah, we will cook those tonight. Oh yeah. Look at these. So delicious. Oh yeah. Have a look. Yeah, so as you see, they grow in my garden. This is about 500 grams, 400 grams. But attention, when you take them dry, you may need a little bit less, perhaps 200 grams. And so this is exactly the reason why I do the winter dish today in the summer, because I wanted to try it when it's really fresh, and I will show you when I open this. Look how beautiful these beans are, and they are really, really delicious when they are cooked fresh, and so we will use these beans for our pasta fagioli. What else we will need? So basically what we will do, let me first summarize. We will do fry garlic, onion, you know, the standard procedure in our best friend, the olive oil, and add a few herbs of the season, meaning basil, sage, and mint leaves, all from my garden. We will also fry a little carrot and a little piece of celery. And once this is fried, we will also add a few of these, actually all of these salamino piccante. This is actually a good alternative when you don't have access to the fresh salamino piccante from southern Italy, directly from the butcher, so I will take those as a good alternative. And we will add also a little shot of white wine, fry this, add then a little bit of polpa, and add also our standard salt and pepper. And that's it. Later on we will then, once the sauce is cooking, we will add the beans, cook them for about 1 hour, and then at the end we will add our typical pasta type for this kind of dish, ditaloni, and then we are ready to eat. Okay my friends, we are ready for the first step. I will cut the garlic in small pieces, and as you know from previous videos, when it's cut in small pieces it will melt very quickly in the hot olive oil, and this is what we will do right now. Once this is cut, so this goes into this pot. Add one of my preferred olive oil brands. We can start heating this up on medium flame, and I will continue cutting. By the way, I forgot to mention, of course, you will also add a little bit of chili, not too much, just half of it. You know, I like it spicy, and yeah, this will do the job. Let's remove the skin. This is also a homegrown onion that I'm using now. We don't need all, but perhaps 1/4 onion will be enough. Let me see how I can cut this in small pieces without starting to cry and without cutting my fingers. Yeah. And I think I can already start cutting also the carrot. We don't need all, so I'm taking half of this carrot and cut it in very small pieces. And so basically it's some of the vegetables of the season, and of course the beans, the borlotti beans, are the heart of this dish. It's a very traditional dish from Italy, and in particular from the southern part of Italy. And let's see what happens in the next minute when it starts frying. Friends, so I have eaten the other half of the carrot. It's really delicious also to eat this raw. So next step is I'm cutting also this piece of celery into small pieces, and it's really adding some value in terms of taste to this pasta fagioli, but of course it will not be the dominating taste. But also the green colors is nice to have when we eat the pasta fagioli later. So I try to keep the pieces small, add them here inside. It's also time to add the sage leaf. We usually fry the sage together with the olive oil and the garlic. Yeah, I can already add the mint leaves. The basil leaf I will keep for later when I add the tomatoes. So next step, let me open this little box of salamino piccante, because we also want to fry those. But attention my friends, before you put them inside you will have to do the quality check, which I'm doing right now. Yeah, it's nice hot, not spicy. Of course, it's not like those of southern Italy that you get at the local butcher. But when you don't have access to that, again, it's a really good alternative. So I will add those as well. Actually, one is for my camera woman. Yeah, here you go. And one for me. Really delicious. Yeah. And the rest I will also put here inside. And you hear the onions and the garlic have started frying. This is a good sign. And I can already smell the nice flavors that are inside. And soon we will add the tomato pulpa. But before we do that, I will also add a shot of white wine. See you soon. Okay, my friends, so while this is frying, I start picking out these fagioli from the skin. Yeah, look at those. They look really, really beautiful. They're actually too beautiful to eat, but we have to feed the family and the kids, so I'm doing what I have to do. My friends, you see, salamino piccante has been frying. And this is now the time to add a little shot of white wine, just a little bit. Oh yes, you hear? They like it too. And now is also the time when we can add the tomato pulpa. There we go. Okay, you see how nice this has been cooking. Salamino piccante, tomato sauce. It's the time now to add also a few of these basil leaves, and of course you see these beautiful beans. We'll add them now and let this cook for about 30 minutes at least. And of course we will have to add a little bit of salt, about this amount, and a little shot of pepper does not harm, like this. Okay, my friends, so after about 45 minutes of cooking, look where we are. The taste is, the smell is incredible. And now's the time when we can add the pasta. And we have pasta e fagioli. So the remaining cooking time is about 8 minutes, and then we are ready to eat. By the way, I will also add a little bit of water. Okay, I think we are pretty much there. Look how creamy this is, without any cream of course. And I forgot to mention, at the end we will also add a little bit of coriander as a topping. Pasta e fagioli, pasta and beans. Wow, fresh beans from my garden. And a little bit of salamino piccante. My friends, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Pasta e fagioli, a typical winter dish on the hottest day of the year, but I had to try these fresh beans from my garden, and now I will enjoy. Buon appetito. Oh, by the way, down there in the description field you will also find the ingredients, and also for you to like, to share, to comment and to subscribe down there on the side. Oh, no wait, down this side here. Okay, buon appetito. Mmm.